this video, we will show you how to install Inkscape for Windows. You can download this software via link on description. After that, you can choose right-click and extract here. You can choose wherever Inkscape you want. It's 64 bits or 32 bits. In here, because our operating system is 64-bit, it's best if using 64-bit versions. Double-click to starting install. Click next. And then we can click add Inkscape to the system path for all users. Just install. Wait this process. After finish, you can try to run. That's all. The Inkscape is free. You can use to create vectors. Hope this video helpful.